Hey everybody, so today I got the Pro HEPA Mini UV Air Purifier. I do have the larger version of this brand as well, and this one was sent over to me to test out. Now inside the box we got our air purifier, and then we got our user manual, and they have two different colors. I requested the black marble looking one because I just really like that color a lot better, but they also got a white version as well. Now usually these filters are wrapped up, so you will have to open them up, and yeah, this one is wrapped up. Most of them are. So you want to take the wrapping off. As you can see, almost half of this air purifier is a filter. Now, depending on how dirty your house gets with dust and everything will depend on how often you need to clean this. Usually about once a week I'll go through and I'll vacuum all my filters really quick. It only takes a minute, and they will last for quite a bit longer if you do that. But this one is the HEPA filter. It also has the charcoal inside as well. Also inside, there is a UV light bulb, which that's going to be on inside the filter itself. And these filters are easy to take in and out. And that's pretty much it right there. All right, so I got it plugged in. Let's go ahead and power it on, and we'll see how loud it gets as well. I will also show you this top part and the buttons. There's also an LED light up there, and the LED light is going to change colors based on the particles in the room and how filthy it is. So right now it's on its lowest speed. Number 2. And number 3. So for a smaller unit, this really does have a lot of power. It blows out a lot of air. I'm going to switch it back to the first one. Also, there is an auto mode on this one. So with the auto, it's going to automatically adjust the speeds for you based on the particles in the air. I'll go ahead and show you the top here. You'll see where it's got the power button here in the center, and then your filter reset, you're going to press and hold that for 3 seconds if you're swapping out your filters. You do have a sleep function. Typically that's going to turn off your LED, which it did, and it's going to slow it down to a slower speed. Then you got your auto, so it's going to automatically adjust everything for you. You got your AQ. You could also do a timer, 2 hours, 4 hours, 8 hours. And you got your UV light, so you can turn your UV on and off, and that will help kill bacteria and stuff. And then of course you can manually adjust your speeds. Alright, so I just lit a candle. Usually I'd let this burn for a little bit, so let's see if I get enough smoke out of it. But as it will suck up the smoke, it should speed up. It should get the particles in the air. I just saw the light turn red, and it just went into turbo mode, or level 3. So it's going to automatically adjust if it's on auto. If you got smoke and stuff, it's going to hit the air. So you can use this anywhere in the house. You can even use one of these in your kitchen to help keep the air a little bit cleaner there as well. I keep an air purifier in pretty much every room of my house. Also, this one only uses 26 watts of power, so it's very efficient to use as well. But if you are looking for an air purifier that moves a ton of air, has auto mode, it looks pretty nice, and it's a company that has been around for a long time, you can definitely consider this one. If you'd like some more information about it, or if you'd like to get one yourself, I'll put a link down below. Thank you for watching.